In this video, I'm gonna give you a full review and a walk through this insane platform called OfferLab. This powerful platform was created by Russell Brunson, and if you don't know who he is, he's literally the guy who has generated over $1 billion in online sales and created ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the origin of sales funnel, and it's the platform that changed our market. Now, Russell Brunson is launching OfferLab, and OfferLab can be 10 times more than ClickFunnels, and I'm gonna show you why. In this video, I'm gonna cover exactly what OfferLab is and how it works, my insane bonus when you join OfferLab for free with my links, and how you can promote OfferLab and make 100% commissions. So let's go. All right, so here's inside OfferLab, inside the platform. And if you go here on the left side and go to Marketplace, you're gonna find all these places, all these offers that you can come in and you can start promoting, right? If you have a product, you can list your products right here. So let me explain you exactly how this works in a way that it's so easy to understand, because all the videos that I see online is just overcomplicate you. Alright, so OfferLab is a platform for collaboration, for we to sell together. So if you're an offer creator and if you have a product, a digital product, physical product, and you want more distribution, you want more sales, you can list your products on OfferLab, and affiliate marketers can come, look for offers that's already selling, that's converting, and paying big commissions, and they can start promoting these offers without creating the product, right? And it's a win-win, everybody's happy. But how this actually works? So first thing, let's say this is a traditional funnel, right? So a traditional funnel, you have an opt-in page right here where you give something for free for your audience to, in order to start building your email list, right? So you send the traffic to this page right here, this first page, right? That's what we do as a marketer. Then after this opt-in page, you might have an offer, right? You want to have an offer that you want to promote. And this offer, let's say it's a $47 offer, right? This offer, you might want to add like an order bump, right? A complimentary product with this order bump to complement this product, and this might be like $17, right? And then another product, after they purchase that one, you need another one upsell, which is complementary these other products, right? It might be this one is gonna be $97. Then you might have like this one-time offer, might be like $397, for example, right? Before OfferLab, you had to create a product for every one of these steps, right? You have to create like an offer, you have to create the order bump, the upsell, downsell, one-time offer. You have to create all of these. But now with OfferLab, you can go inside the marketplace and you can plug in offer to your opt-in page, and then you can plug in a different order bump and another different product as an upsell, and a completely different as a one-time offer. And that's why it's so powerful without you have to create any of these products. All right, so let's say that you're gonna create your own funnel, right? So you can go right here on digital products, digital goods, for example, or you can select physical products, whatever it is you want to promote, right? So I like promote digital products. So I can go here in digital goods and I can find a product that I want to promote, right? I go here, it's a marketplace. Let's say I find this one, double your income in 12 months live event. It's $25, right? It's a low ticket product. Then you can go and start promoting. Then you want to like an order bump for this product. You can pick another one that makes sense, right? It has to make sense. You're not gonna put random things. So you can, for example, put another product, this one right here, change business bundle for mission driving. So you can put this one as an order bump. Then you can, for example, courses and coaching, you can go right here and put an upsell, right? Like maybe you put this one, echo right, and then it's $197, and you put this as an upsell, and then you can put another one that makes sense and create another one. You can add this as another one-time offer, and you can create this super funnel without creating the product. And each one of these, like maybe they pay 15%, this one will make 50%, and then on your funnel you're gonna make all these commissions. You're gonna sell the product together, right, on this super funnel, and you didn't have to create the product. You're gonna make the commissions 70% on your first offer, and then like 50% on the other bump, and another like 40% on the upsell, and so on and so forth. And that's why it's so powerful, and something that I never seen this before. And it doesn't matter if your funnels, if your products is in Kajabi, in ClickFunnels, Funnel Freedom, or whatever it is, you can just integrate that platform inside OfferLab and start listing your products, promoting your products. It doesn't change. The back end, it doesn't change. And that's why it's so cool about this platform, because it came to unified, to put us together, right? We are in the era of collaboration. So let's say you have your own product and you use ClickFunnels or Shopify or Funnel Freedom, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to menu right here, and you're gonna go to settings. Then you can do your integration, right? You can integrate ClickFunnels, Funnel Freedom, use Go High Level right here. And then all the fulfillment, all the payment is already gonna do automatically through these platforms, right? You don't need to change anything on your back end. You just list your products inside OfferLab, and you're already having more people selling your products without you doing anything. Now, here's the crazy part, right? You can also start monetizing and making money by promoting OfferLab, right? By promoting this platform right here. What you have to do, you after creating your free account, you're gonna go here to refer friends, and then right here on the top, share invite link. These two links, you can start sharing this link and inviting people to join the platform, and these people will be coded for you for life. And this is huge, because whatever these people make money on this platform, they are coded for you for life. So whatever they sell on the platform, you get a percentage of the processing fee every time they sell something. So this is literally insane. This is how much I've made by just sharing this platform with people that I know. So when you create a free account inside OfferLab using my link, I'm gonna give you free access to this private community with me and other 2 7-figure top affiliate marketers, where we are literally showing you step by step how to start making your first sale online. If you never made anything online, literally that's where you're gonna be. We literally show you step by step how to do it and guide you through this whole process. And we have people already here making the first sale with like not much followers, with 24 hours. Literally, we have so many people winning inside this community, and you have free access by just creating a free account with using my link. OfferLab is the coolest opportunity that I ever seen online. It literally put us together. We collaborate with each other, we sell things together, and we make money together. It's the coolest thing ever. It's perfect for beginners because you don't need to create any product, and you can start promoting products that's already being sold. And perfect for you if you have products and you want more sales without doing any extra work. So sign up through the links below and get your free access to this private mentorship community inside Facebook. I will see you inside OfferLab. See you.